had some more stuff coming in.
Yeah.
Whoa! What we got here? Ooh! How did that get here? It's a Sony something. What is it?
It's a Vaio.
Sony
Personal computer.
Sony Vaio. Oh, let's get it out of the box.
Whoa.
Ready? Oh, what was that?
I don't know. Oh, keyboard. I think. Some futuristic keyboard.
Hey?
Look.
Ooh! Right, okay. Right, let's get that out of the box then, Jacob. Got it?
Oh yeah, I got it. Oh,
Two.
whoa.
Alright. So, it's a Sony Vaio with a Core 2 Duo. Let's have a zoom in on that, see what we've got then, Jake. Right, it's a Core 2 Duo, nVidia graphics, Blu-ray, DLNA compliant, Vista,
Ooh, that's
Vista
cool.
on it.
And if I just line up the accessories.
I wonder if that's a touchscreen. Could be, couldn't it?
Possible.
Could be. What else have we got then? So we've got a power supply, we've got a remote control,
PC card, express card.
fancy wireless mouse, and this funky keyboard.
On
Oh,
the back, we
it's nice, isn't it?
have
very nice.
firewire, microphone, speaker out, optical out, 3 USBs.
Angle that up a bit, Jacob, get some light on it. 3 USBs,
I think there's something under here.
yeah. SP diff, optical out.
2 more USBs, disk drive this end.
What's that, micro USB, that S400 thing, is it?
No, firewire.
Oh, what, that there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's from the faster connections.
Alright.
I think down here there's a speaker. We've got 2 USBs, disk drive this side, some buttons at the top and camera control.
Right, well, what's the plan of action today? The plan of action
Windows Media Center.
is to fire it up, see what happens.
That's just
That hasn't done much.
no.
Now, we've not been had a lot of stuff coming in over the past few weeks, so we're kind of scratching around a bit. I had all those monitors come in. You would have seen by the time you see this video. 19-inch ViewSonics. Not a lot else has been going on. Has it, Bernie?
No, been dead.
Not a lot has been going on, really. So workshop activity has been quite slow. Jake has been on holiday. Yeah. He's off on his scout business next week. And the summer has finally broke. It's chucking it down with rain now. It's been sunshine for about 6 weeks or so. It's been lovely, lovely weather. And we certainly do need the rain. Alright. So, in true workshop style, we have our screwdrivers labelled, slotted, and Posy. Crossheads. Alright then. Give it some bit of leverage down here, Jacob, I think, along here, look. Just in here. No? Yeah, that's coming from up. Move it along a bit. Oh. Right. Oh! Yes! Cool.
That is huge.
There's a lot of stuff in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. Speakers. Cooler.
Most likely.
Can't see where that goes to. There's the main heatsink there. What's that? Oh, speaker. Hard drive. What is it? 500 gig?
500 gigs, 7200.
Yeah. Well, that's well, I'm not sure what we're going to do with this, other than to just marvel at its engineering wonder. Yeah, get it running. Let's get it running. See what chip it is and stuff like that. Well, we put a Mint drive in it just to fire it up. Have a look at the contents of it. Something to do whilst we wait for stuff to come in. Yeah, go on then. Let it rip. Keyboard and mouse then, isn't it? Oh, that worked. Keyboard works.
Mouse.
Ah, right, okay. It's a Core 2.
Windows and...
Oh, I got it with a touchpad. There isn't one. Oh, well done. What is it? Right. Okay. We have a Core 2 Duo T8100. I was expecting it to be a standard chip in there.
No, it's got a laptop chip in it.
Yeah. That's a bit disappointing.
You can't really pimp it by the round.
No.
1680 by 1050, which is good resolution.
It is, isn't it?
GeForce 8400M, which is slightly lower than what's running in my Xbox.
Well, we've got a reasonably surprising Blowfish performance score of 8.26 on Blowfish. Well, I suppose it is what it is, isn't it?
It's better than sitting around and doing nothing.
What are we going to do with it then?
It's a laptop in a different case.
I don't know, maybe another comment contest?
What do we do with it? Don't know.
Windows 10. Sell it like a laptop.
Yeah, let's put Windows 10 on it. Put the drive back in. And let's do a Windows 10 install and see how it runs, yeah? Right then, chaps. What is the progress so far on this Sony Vaio?
Well, we've almost got the drivers loaded. We haven't put the back on, we just put the stand back on. So we could run the machine, put Windows 10 on it. Yeah.
It's now 2:45 almost. So that's 3 hours later, isn't it, from this morning or something like that. And we're gradually munching our way through some digestives. And Hammer's got, Bernie's got the tickling stick out.
Windows 8 repair tool.
And we're gradually making progress. But we're not expecting it to be particularly great. But we'll do some, excuse me, digestives. We'll do a benchmark on this soon and see what the temp's like. We've run Userbenchmark on this Sony Vaio, and we have gaming 11%, tree trunk, desktop 22%, surfboard, workstation 13%, tree trunk. Let's have a look at the temps then, Jacob. And we've got it maxed out at 49C. That's alright, isn't it?
Case is open.
Yeah.
And then I think that's GPU, am I correct? Yes.
57. Alright. Well, that pretty much concludes our mucking about with that today. So we'll get it all back together again. We'll stick a price on it. Get it out on display. See if we can lure a customer in. That is it today on Project Reboot. So we'll catch up with you next time. Cheerio!
This was a Jurassicom production! Rah! Rah!